Hello students, welcome all of you to today's English grammar class. In previous class, I have discussed briefly about differences between direct and indirect speech in my part 1 video, about rule number 1 and 2 in my part 2 video, and about rule number 3, 4 and 5 in my part 3 video. And in today's class, that is in part 4, I am going to discuss about rule number 6, 7 and 8 of direct and indirect speech. Okay, so let's start our today's class. So at first I am going to discuss about rule number 6. So what is the rule number 6? It is the change of adverbials in indirect speech. Dear students, here adverbial means adverbials are the words that we use to give more information about a verb. They can be one word or phrases. आमे कहि परिबा क्रिया विशेषणात्मक शब्द जहाँकि क्रिया को विशेषित करि थाए. For example, now change into then or at that time, today change into that day, yesterday change into the day before or the previous day, the day before yesterday change into 2 days before, tomorrow change into the next day or the following day, this week change into that week, the day after tomorrow change into in 2 days time, next week or year change into the following week or year, last week or year change into the week before or the previous week, ago change into before, a year change into a year before or the previous year, here change into there, thus change into in that way, this morning change into that morning. Okay, so look at some examples here. Example number 1, Mita says Navasar hasn't come to our house today. Mita says Navasar hasn't come to our house today. When we change this sentence into indirect speech, the answer will be Mita says that Navasar hasn't come to their house that day. Look at here. The adverbial today change into that day. Okay. पिला माने एटे देखिबा पूर्व वीडियो रे कुआइतिला जो सूत्र नंबर 1 रे थिला रिपोर्टिंग फॉर प्रेजेंट टेंस जेपरि से सेज थिले रिपोर्टेड स्पीच रो टेंस रे कोनोसी परिवर्तन हुए नहीं. तेणु सेही सूत्र अनुसार मिता सेज दैट नवसार हैजंट कम टू देयर हाउस कोनोसी परिवर्तन हे नहीं. परिवर्तन हेछि एठी कोन नामर एडवर्बियल्स दैट इज टुडे परिवर्तन हे कि हेबो दैट डे. ठीक अछि. Second example, Rita said Mita had already gone when I phoned her this morning. Rita said Mita had already gone when I phoned her this morning. When we change this sentence into indirect, the answer will be Rita said that Mita had already gone when she phoned her that morning. पिला माने एही उदाहरण टिरे आमे देखिबा said एठी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब जेहेतु हमर फर्स्ट रे अछि तेणु से अनुसार आमर परिवर्तन होगा कथा. मिता हेड ऑलरेडी गॉन एठी आमर टेंस अछि फर्स्ट परफेक्ट. आमर सूत्र थिला पास्ट परफेक्ट रे कोनसी प्रकारर परिवर्तन हुए नहीं. पास्ट टेंस रो केवल पास्ट सिंपल थिले पास्ट परफेक्ट हबो, पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव थिबेले पास्ट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव हबो. एठी जेहेतु फर्स्ट परफेक्ट रे अछि तेणु देखो टेंस रे कोनसी प्रकारर परिवर्तन हे नहीं. आमर आजिर सूत्र अनुसार एडवर्बियल अछि ओटी दिस मॉर्निंग सेठी परिवर्तन हे कि होइछि दैट मॉर्निंग. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, करीम सेड आई एम गोइंग टू अमेरिका नेक्स्ट ईयर. व्हेन वी चेंज दिस सेंटेंस इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इट विल बी करीम सेड दैट ही वाज गोइंग टू अमेरिका द फॉलोइंग ईयर. पिला माने एही उदाहरण टिरे आमे देखिबा कोन परिवर्तन हेछि. आई एम गोइंग टू अमेरिका टी आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव रे अछि. ये परिवर्तन है पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव कारण आमर सूत्र थिला जदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब टी पास्ट टेंस रे थिबो एठी देखो सेड जोटा कि पास्ट टेंस रे अछि तेणु एठी प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव जोटा कि आई एम गोइंग टू अमेरिका इज चेंज्ड इनटू ही वाज गोइंग टू अमेरिका. ओके एवं आमर एडवर्बियल नेक्स्ट ईयर चेंज इनटू फॉलोइंग ईयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, ही सेड आई वाज प्लेइंग द वायोलिन एवरी मॉर्निंग लास्ट ईयर. When we change this sentence into indirect speech, then the answer will be he said that he was playing the violin every morning the previous year. यही उदाहरण टे आमे देखिबा एडवर्बियल जो लास्ट ईयर परिवर्तन हेची द प्रीवियस ईयर. ठीक अच्छे लिस्ट को मन रखिबा कारण डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच को परिवर्तन करिबारे हमकु सुविधा हेबो. ठीक अच्छे नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आई सेड टू हिम यू डिडंट कीप फिट लास्ट ईयर. When we change this sentence into indirect speech, the answer will be I told him that he didn't kept fit the previous year. पिला माने ए उदाहरण रे हमें देखिबा ए जो said to him, I said to him, ए जो said to जदी थिबो एठी said to टा कोन हे जिवो told हे जिवो. ठीक अछि जेते बेले भी हमें डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे said to देथिबो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करिबा समय रे सेठी हमें told बसेबा. सो कोन हेबो I told him that he didn't kept fit the previous year. तो सेठी लास्ट ईयर परिवर्तन हे कि कोन हेची ना प्रीवियस ईयर. ठीक अछि now look at rule number 7, that is change of modal auxiliaries in indirect speech. Dear students, when we change from direct to indirect, at the time some modal auxiliaries also change accordingly, like would change into would, shall change into should or would, can change into could, may change into might, must change into must or had to or would have to, must not change into must not or wasn't to, needn't change into needn't or didn't have to. So look at some examples here. First example, Rakhal said, I shall never forget my childhood days. It can be written in indirect speech as Rakhal said that he would never forget his childhood days. पिला माने एही उदाहरण रे हमें देखिबा सेल परिवर्तन हेकी हेची वुड कारण सेल शुड किबा वुड हे परिबो आमे कर्ता अनुसार नेबा एडी जेहेतु ही अछि तेनु आमे लेखिले ही वुड. ओके नाउ लुक एट एग्जांपल नंबर 2. शी सेड आई विल हेल्प यू इन द आवर ऑफ योर नीड. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज शी सेड दैट शी वुड हेल्प मी इन द आवर ऑफ माय नीड. एही उदाहरण रे मध्ये हमें देखिबा I will change into would, so we written here she would help me in the hour of my need. Now look at example number 3. He said I can't play with you. It can be written as he said that he couldn't play with me. Can change into could. Next example, Rita said I may go with you. It can be written as Rita said that she might go with me. Here may change into might. Next example, Sarita said I must go soon. This sentence can be written as Sarita said that she would have to go soon. एटी देखो पिला most परिवर्तन हेकी हेची would have to. ठीक अछि Now I am going to discuss about rule number 8, that is change of demonstratives in indirect speech. पिला माने आमे डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव भाव में जानिछे दिस दैट दिस दोस एगुड को को भाव में बसिबो ना दी हे जिवो. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव दिस दैट दिस दोस चेंज इनटू दी. फॉर एग्जांपल ही सेड आई ब्रॉट दिस साड़ी फॉर माय मदर. इट कैन बी चेंज्ड इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच एज ही सेड दैट ही हैड ब्रॉट दिस साड़ी फॉर हिज मदर. एठी पिला माने देखो I brought this saree. This is the demonstrative, so this change into the. एवं I brought जोटा simple past रे अछि ता परिवर्तन हे कि हेछि past perfect जोटा हमें सूत्र रे पढिथिले पूर्व सूत्र रे. So he had brought this saree for his mother. Next example, she said I brought these bangles for my sister. This sentence can be written as she said that she had brought the bangles for her sister. Look at here, these change into the. So these bangles change into the bangle. So my dear students, I hope you must understand about rule number 6, 7 and 8. And in my next class I will discuss about other rules. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.